Hey, so just popping on very quickly. Became apparent the other day that there are quite a few of you that don't know about our awesome lash serum, friends and family included. So basically we've had this out since August. It is a lash serum. It helps lengthen, strengthen, thicken and makes your lashes go quicker. One of my lovely friends has recently bought some. Unfortunately, she's been, I think it was a semi-permanent lash extension she's had, has wrecked her eyelashes, and I believe my sister has done the same. So what this does, I'm just going to show you how to put it on at the minute. I do put it on at night. There's a couple of things you need to know about this. It is absolutely fantastic. It does work. It takes between 2 to 3 weeks for you to start seeing results, although a couple of my customers have seen them within a week to 10 days. Me personally, I used it for a month on this side. It has made a difference in the hole in my eyebrow, and massively. This bit here is much better. What I will say is, I've been very careful how I apply this. Now, it's a fantastic product, but I'm not going to lie to you. If you get it in your eye, it stings. Okay? So, I'm just going to show you how to put it on. Now, there's a couple of ways you can do it. Ideally, aim for the middle to the ends of the lashes. Alright? And I always put it on at night. So, you take all your makeup off, as you should. And then you're putting it onto bare, clean lashes. Now, I'm going to do one eye one way, the way I've been doing it. And then I'm going to do the other eye. I did watch a demo from another presenter, which gave me a bit of an idea. That's what it looks like. It's just a bit like a mascara brush, and it's kind of like a clear white jelly serum type thing. So I am very careful. This is how you'd put mascara on. The biggest difference I've noticed is these little ones in the corner that you can never get mascara on because they're tiny. Mine, I can now get mascara on, and it makes such a difference. I'm very careful not to take it down to the waterline, because if you do and then you blink, you're going to get it in your eye, and believe me, it waters. I'm just putting it on the bottom lashes there. Okay, so that's the one way you can do it. Now the other way, hiya, who's on there at the minute? Give me a little love heart if you're watching live. Give me a hashtag replay if you're on the replay. Just taking out the brush. Now the second way, and this I have actually picked up from somebody else, and this is also the way that you can guarantee you won't get it in your eye. Apparently so. I've only tried it a few times. But it's to apply it like this. Get those little ones in the corner. Like that. And that actually, to be fair, gets the majority of the hairs. But as I say, you want to be really careful not to get it in your eye, because it does sting. That's pretty much it. It dries within about 2-3 minutes. So by the time you've gone to sleep, it will be totally fine. Let's give it a little waft. So that's how you put the lash serum on. To be honest, I actually think I prefer this way, because you've got less chance of getting it in your eye. But this is absolutely magic wonder in a little tube. Hiya Joe, you right darling? I've had this since August, and I would say there's probably still 2/3, if not more, left. It doesn't seem to be going down that much. There's a lot of product in there. You can buy it on its own, or you can buy it in a duo or a tweet. Just knocked me cig over. Sorry for the bang. It's not a ghosty. As I say, you can buy it on its own. It comes in any combo of duo or trio, so you can buy it along with the Epic or the Fibre Lashes or both. It is discounted if you buy it in a duo or a trio. If you want any more info, any more demos, to know, hi Veronica, how you doing? Give us a little wave. Guys, if you're watching, hashtag replay. If you're live, give me a little love heart, and I'd love it if you'd share this video. So that's the lash serum, ladies, and it is absolutely awesome. So if anybody's been using falsies or semi-permanent extensions and you've damaged your eyelashes, give me a shout. This is absolutely what you need to save your lashes. Anyway, I'm going to go to bed now. Love you loads.